What's up guys, and welcome back to another Spring Break video. Today we're the engineer on Engine 31, so let's get started. Alright y'all, we're going to be responding to a alarm activation. Rolling road is always the most difficult road. Oh god, it's the most difficult road for everyone, pretty much. Cyber Alright, so we're on scene here. Looks to be no fire. Attack's gonna call it in. Yeah, we're gonna be investigating this. Hold on. Make sure nothing's happening here. It was an automatic alarm, so those are always a little bit trippy. Nothing, I guess. Oh my god, bro. I see smoke out the back. Alright, so if we get that on here. I don't know where the rest of them are. I don't know. Alright, so we're getting this fire put out here. It's gonna catch a fire, but I'm not really a fire investigator, so yeah, I don't know what to say here. Just walk over the fire like that. Stacks do like that, you can just do that, you know. Looks like it's knocked here. Get the light. Fix my arm first. Ah. Gonna poke some holes in the ceiling. Alright, that's good. Alright, so we got the fire knocked now. We're gonna head back to the station. We're pretty overloaded with calls, not gonna lie. He is fun. Oh my god! Alright, so we're on the scene of an NBA right now. I'm gonna go see what I can to do to help, you know. I'll try to stay out of the way. That's what I usually like to do. I don't usually like getting in the way, but if I need to help, I'll help. Because I'm ENTA. Rich? Jesus. As long as I keep him attached to my body, I'm not worried. Okay, he's pretty calm, not gonna lie. I've seen way worse. Like, come on, so. I don't know who else to respond to that. Okay. Alright, so we're just helping this guy. He's literally, he has a branch impaled through his arm. So, I mean, he's doing pretty well, not gonna lie. Was off. Roof off. Alright, let's get chill out there. Thumbnail real quick. I'm a thumbnail guy, alright? You know? Alright, so, oh my god. Shin slash foot? Shin slash foot. Those are two completely non-related body parts. I don't know what you're doing, bro. I think they got the back. Like his chin. I think you meant to say shin, because those are different things, like, you know, chin. Searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. It's a little heavy. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Alright, so I'm kind of struggling to get the back move here. It's fine now. So we got all the medical stuff treated. The roof is actually off the car right now. Nope, wrong person. Nope, wrong person. On the stretcher. There we go. I don't really want to crowd the ambulance right now, so I think I'll stay out. Okay. Point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. No, I'm not gonna ask it. I was gonna ask if they were gonna treat him in the ambo, or are they just gonna send him to the hospital? I think he's getting in. He's going. So clearly, yeah, he's going. Alright. 1, 6, 5. Alright, so I'll see now. Alright.
Truck 30. Chief 2. 50 Officer 21.
Yeah. You probably just thought. Gotta fight this fire. I guess we got it. Let's see what's catching up here. Alright. Oh my gosh. Poke some holes in the ceiling. Alright, we're good. That's pretty much overhaul for you. Poke holes in the ceiling, we'll get nothing. Dispatch. I think we're good. I think we've been good. I think the truck is clear. I don't know why they're here, to be honest.